As you guys could see, last video, I have been a bit too overexcited on getting, this. Triple fireworks. It's supposed to be 252 million, but no, level 3, 257 million. Guys, I didn't even get to use this pet at all. It has 0 EXP. I'm just keeping this for the, might as well say, collection. Oh, I also got a shiny dog, which isn't great. Oh, hey. Oh, no drawing. Okay, great. And it's only 2 people, including me. So, I am gonna go to the 3rd zone and the 4th zone to get those keys. So first I'll go to 3rd. I think it's 3rd? Pretty sure it's 3rd. Yeah. And I also will get a lot of cash in the meanwhile. Hey. Oh yeah, let's also go like this. Hi. They're all getting wrecked. This is the Pet Sim X grind strat. Okay, there, we got it. We gotta go now. Huh. What does this do? Stop. Hey, I got super lucky. Nice! I don't know where I got that. I only have 2 Robux if you guys want to know how much Robux I have. To this shop. I don't know what I want to do. There, put that key in. Oh yeah. Look at that animation, dude. It's sick. So sick. 2 minutes in the video to tell. 2 minutes 30 seconds in the video to tell you that. Oh, Q! You get equip hoverboard. Find all the keys and open a secret door to get the bank card. Okay, I will do that. Okay, to the 4th one, winter. Ooh, presents! Presents! What boost? What will I get? Ooh, thunderstruck goodies. Goodies. Oh yeah, also I wanted to do another thing up there. I was clicking city a lot today. No. Okay, that's our max. Convert, give me another 50k. Now I'll wait for another 2 minutes? You're kidding me. Oh yeah, I also got, it's probably because I got pet damage up. For this. For all of them. Because ooh, somebody joined! Yay! More stuff, more company. So I'm just gonna get this real quick. Let's go. 17k. Maxed. Okay, now I'm gonna try lucky eggs. Oh, I need more. Okay, I'll do pet damage. Hiya! Okay, I'll do some player speed. Hiya! Come on! It's so cool when you use the animation. It's cool. Okay. Yo. Okay, I got the key. That was not so long after I got the key. Hey. Wait, Wait a minute. Now let me just go to shop. Put this in. So that was the 4th. This is the 5th and 6th. Oh, sure, kid. What you want? I'll give you this for this. A bit of rubbish. Oh, no, 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 skip Bill! Oh! Guys, I left before the trade. Oh my god, if that trade made it in, I am gonna be so pissed. It made it in. I got scammed! Okay, back to square one. Hi guys, I'm back with auto deleted almost everything except the legendaries, and I have ultra lucky and super lucky on. Not lucky, I'm super lucky. Sorry, Pet Simulator X terms. Well, now I officially hate this game. Oh my hell, I get. Honestly, I'll accept rares. I'm accepting rares at this point. And epics. If there is even any epics in this egg. Oh! Come on, just give me the stuff. I am so unlucky. How? Finally, a dark dragon. Oh, another dark dragon. Nice. Another dark dragon. Back to back to back to back. No. Dark dragon. If you get this lit epic, whatever these are. Look! Oh! Good snake! 1.1%. Oh. Yes, that's what we want. How much does that do? 3! Yeah, it's hard to progress in this game without spending Robux. Dark Dragon. Oh, I got the Cursed Fox too. Nice. So then this one I could delete. And if you hear some background noise, it's my parent. And I think there's a friend came over. That is actually cursed. But what am I doing? Trying to crack that. I'm supposed, and I think the spelling for it, like hunted, or instead of haunted, it's like weird. Oh, one wild. When violator.